What is an industry standard? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at Wikipedia. Wikipedia says that an industry standard is a technical standard used in a technical context throughout an industry. Very simple. It is a standard used throughout an industry. Now, with respect to credit reporting, Metro 2 is the name of the industry standard for credit reporting. Metro 2 is created by the Credit Bureau's Trade Association, known as the Consumer Data Industry Association. There is a manual for their industry standard as well. This manual is known as the Credit Reporting Resource Guide, and it gets updated every single year. Why this is important is because under the FCRA, the bureaus and the furnishers are held to a standard of reasonableness to ensure that the data that they're reporting is of maximum possible accuracy. Now that we know that there is an industry standard for how this information should accurately report, we can use their own industry standard to judge and argue the accuracy of their information.